iPhone 12.
I don't know what we're talking about. It's
Alright, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video because it was a ton of fun to make. I made that video as a project for my business class because we were told to make a video of the day in the life of a college student in 90 seconds. Editing on that video, I was very much inspired by Chris Hau's Toronto in 90 seconds, where he had just a bunch of jump cuts and quick edits, and I was like, I really want to do something like that. So that's what I did, and I think it turned out pretty well for my first attempt at something like that, especially for my first attempt at filmmaking. Editing on that video took way longer than I anticipated, and because of that I've gotten behind on some of the videos I normally make for the channel. However, they are coming. So because of that, make sure to subscribe and ring the little bell icon so you can get notified when I upload new videos. So if you liked that video, and I really hope you did, don't forget to like it, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.